Hi guys, just a quick update. This is that Aussie yen trade I showed you last week. This was the spookily accurate entry, almost to the pip. I had 60 pip stop on this, I believe. And I showed you on Friday, I took 80% off around 200, 230, 240 pips profit, and I moved the stop. I showed you what I've done. Now it's almost up to my second target. I'm getting a bit twitchy now. It's done 186 pips today and the average is 108. The USD yen has done 180 when the average is 130. And the Aussie, the other part of this trade, is currently at the 55 EMA daily. And notice how this has been major support, and then notice for 2 weeks price kept trying to get through before it eventually did. It has also done its range. The final part of the puzzle as to why I'm going to close this now is that tonight there is the cash rate statement for the AUD, and at the moment the experts are still forecasting 4.35%. However, the unemployment figures were better than expected a couple of weeks ago. Last week's inflation figures were slightly better, and therefore there's a danger that they may not do it. But as you know, I've shown you lots of times before, with the news, price can shoot up, shoot down, take you out, and then go on its merry way. So on balance, I am going to take the money and run now. This was a 60 pip risk. The balance of this now has done 365 pips, probably netted me 1 to 4 risk reward, so that's 2% towards my monthly target of 5%. Doesn't sound a lot, but if you think about trading funded accounts, trading for clients, then 5% per million traded is 50,000 gross profit. And that is how you make money at this game. So I'm going to take the win and forget about it now. And to do that, all you do is right click, and I'm going to close the balance of the trade. There we go. Money banked, job done. Catch you later. Don't forget to like and share this video, and if you haven't done already, subscribe to our channel.